Runewal, an iconic name in the real estate sector, presents Runewal Gardens, Dombivli. Dombivli is one of the fastest growing residential and commercial hubs in the country, situated in an ultra growth area next to Mumbai, between Thane, Kalyan and Navi Mumbai. Runewal Gardens is conveniently connected through roads and rail to major business districts in Mumbai, located right on the Kalyan Steel Road with the upcoming Diva Manpada station on the Kalyan-Taloja metro line just 200 meters away. This development is well connected to the rest of the city. Runewal Gardens also boasts of a splendid connectivity via the proposed Airoli-Katai Tunnel Road, which would reduce travel time to Airoli to approximately 45 minutes. What's more, the proposed Virar-Alibag multimodal corridor also passes adjacent to the development. With close proximity to the proposed international airport, an expansive rail network with prominent stations like Dombivli, Diva, Dativali and Kalyan, this development is all set to become the ultimate destination of the future. Runewal Gardens, a majestic 115-acre township, is your world built around a 5-minute walk. Experience world-class living with a stunning 11-acre central park, a 10 lakh square feet mall and a high street, a renowned school, state-of-the-art office spaces, and a multi-speciality hospital. Let us take you on a journey as we explore this new world of infinite possibilities. Gardens is a gift to the next generation, seamlessly weaving convenience, thoughtfulness and technological innovations amidst a safe and secure environment. Runewal Gardens, your world, built around a 5-minute walk.